Here we see a moving object in the sky. And we don't know what it is.
That is big.
I'm zooming in. Zooming out.
That's lasting longer than the others did.
Let's see if it'll disappear on camera. We putting this on Good Morning America. Maybe it's like a comet-like thing, but
But why is it coming from over there?
I don't know.
This one lasting longer than all the others. Uh-oh. Getting ready to go. Getting ready to go. Look, it's fading. It's fading. There it is. Fading.
You can't really.
Fading.
It's gone.
Gone.
Just about.